think I might be getting a third one of these for in the middle. I like them really well. I think they fit the application, the installation real well, but I'm going to be making a lot of my own corbels, and I may end up making slightly smaller ones for this spot. I don't know. I like it. Looks good. All right, just about done with the painting. I started, you may recall, a couple months ago, early summer, right at this corner of the house, and I worked my way to the left around the house. And now I have gone all the way around, and I've painted the new part and come back to here and right to this corner again. Now I am cleaning up the last of the original tall windows. All right, I have been rebuilding, restoring these old 130-year-old original windows, the only ones I have, and they're coming together pretty well. I've got them reglazed, cleaned up, but I've had to replace the windowsill on all three of them. Because the old ones were pretty rotten. You probably can't tell this from here, but this is mostly wavy glass. I had to replace at least half of these. There are 12 panes. Each window has 4. And I was able to find wavy glass. So, looking good. The windows on this house present kind of an historical enigma, a puzzle that I've had to figure out, and that is they've been installed in different eras of time. At least 3 different times this house has been modified. So do I go, I want to be historically authentic, so do I go back 130 years and replace the tall windows in the front here, because the house probably did not have these 3 side-by-side weighted windows. Or do I leave the weighted windows, and I think I'm going to do a combination of stuff. I'm putting these sashes up above and then reinstalling the original tall windows right here. So I'm combining 2 eras of time. I'm using the original 80-inch tall windows, but I'm putting them 3 together side by side like the second phase of the house with these windows. So it's interesting. Just about anything I do is historically correct, because the second phase windows are historical too. They've been here 75 years or more. So, oh boy, fun. I have not gotten philosophical on this channel at all, but I think a lot. And it occurred to me today that when restoring an old house, it helps to have a personality that matches. And my personality type is the phlegmatic. Roll with it, you know, whatever. And when you dive into something like this, that helps, because You dive in, you see what you got, you're presented with various challenges, and you roll with it. Do the best you can with what you're given. So, little nugget of wisdom there from the old sage, right? Whatever. Okay, I got a coat of primer on these old windows. Lots of light coming in now. All right, back to painting. Yeah, okay. That does not fit here. It's too large, and it's okay because it's not wood anyway. I'm gonna make my own corbels out of scrap lumber, and for a lot less money. This is like $35 for one. This was a real bugger, trying to get this flashing up underneath the siding. So I had to come up and cut through the nails, the second layer of siding. Finally got the flashing underneath there, and now I'm ready to re-nail the siding. All right, that's looking pretty good. And next, the windows upstairs. These are the old pulleys for the weighted windows. Apparently made in Grand Rapids. And this is the access panel where you can get at the weights. And I'm saving this one because one of the windows has this piece missing upstairs, so I'll be able to replace that. Huh. Different size. Anyway, that's where it's supposed to go. So this mismatch of the access panel was my first clue that these frames in the upstairs trio of windows are smaller than the ones from downstairs. And I was hoping to just bring those sashes up and drop them right in here. Sure enough, I brought the top sash and the bottom sash and put them in, and they bypassed each other by 4 inches in the middle. So that meant I had to resize all 6 of these. So I'm taking them apart, just about done with it, cutting off 2 inches, and then reassembling. Okay, 6 sashes resized and ready for glass. Time to start cutting glass again. Okay, I got the glass in. I've got the glaze in. And got some primer on these. Next is a coat of paint before I install them. And I'll try to get a picture of that to end this video. So, 12 sashes in the 2 triple banks of windows in the front wall of the house. Restored, that is disassembled, scraped, cleaned, resized, reassembled, reglassed, reglazed. If anybody wonders what I've been doing for the last few weeks, now you know. Summer is gone. Fall has officially arrived, and right on time, the autumn weather as well. So I got cooler, beautiful working weather ahead of me for the next few weeks to finish closing up the house. Yay.